Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. Within this video I'm going to show you the OBD2 port and the Fusebox locations on a 2007 Mitsubishi 380. So first off, for the OBD2 diagnostic port, come over to the driver's side or the right hand side of the vehicle, just down in the footwell, just behind this heater duct. It's tucked up there. So that is your OBD2 port. For your cabin fuse box, to come to the right hand side of the dashboard, you'll see this indent. Give it a pull there. This is your cabin fuse box diagram and your cabin fuse box. I'll now put up the computerized diagram. And for your engine bay fuse box, just come down here, pull the lever to open up your bonnet, come round to the front of the vehicle, push the lever just above the Mitsubishi badge to the left and open up your engine bay. Over here, just to the right of the vehicle, you'll notice this black box. This is your engine fuse box. Open it up, there's your diagram on the back of the lid there. And I'll now put up the computerized diagram. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.